Top 5 Best Washing Machine. The 5 Best Washing Machine in Present Time. We are going to check out 5 Best Washing Machine Quality this year. This list is my personal opinion. I tried to list this best product on their price, quality, durability and many more. Number 1, Jontex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub Washing Machine, price, $209.99 and free returns. Brand Jontex, color white and blue, special feature portable, lightweight, compact, item dimensions LXWXH 24.8x 15x 28.5 inches, item weight 28 pounds, capacity 17.6 pounds. Number 2, Jontex Full Automatic Washing Machine Portable Washer and Spin Dryer 7.7 pounds capacity, price, $239.99 and free returns. Compact design and large capacity. This washing machine is compact and lightweight for you to move it easily. But the stainless steel honeycomb-shaped inner tub can load 7.7 pounds at one time and wash many clothes for you. With a space-saving design, it is perfect for your home, apartment or even taking it for outdoor activities like camping. Number 3, Panda Portable Washing Machine, 10 pounds capacity, 3 water levels, price, $275.00 and free returns. Brand Panda, it is a space-saving design which makes your laundry easy and simple. It is perfect for apartment, RV, vacation, home, dorm and second washer for your house. Number 4, Cu.ft 1.6 Cu.ft Portable Washing Machine, price, $285.99 and free returns. Extremely energy saving, this washing machine equips with high quality and durable motor, providing stable power. Saving as much as 84% energy consumption comparing to similar models, our washing machine is able to save money for your household. Number 5, Black Plus Decker BPW M16W Portable Washer, white, price, $306.67 and free returns. Efficiency, high efficiency, voltage 120 volts, brand Black Plus Decker, color white, item weight 70.5 pounds, access location top load, max spin speed 1 sec. Check out the description link for more information and latest price.